It's Tab of Giselle. Today I'll be showing you how to highlight and contour for beginner friendly. I hope you guys enjoyed. I tried to make the steps super easy and you can do this within a heartbeat. So I hope you enjoyed. Follow it step by step. If you haven't already subscribed, make sure that you are subscribed. Turn that notification button so that you never miss a video when I post. And yeah, let's get started with the video. So guys, to start off the tutorial, I'm going to be showing you all the products that I'm going to use. I'm going to use a banana powder to set my under eye and the areas that I'm going to highlight. I'm going to use this pressed powder from Maybelline. It's called Fit Me Matte and Poreless in the shade Caramel. This is going to set all the contour. As you guys can see, I'm starting off with a face that's full of just foundation and obviously my eyebrows. For my foundation, I used the NYX Born to Glow foundation. Then after that, I go straight into highlighting. So with highlighting, it's essentially bringing out areas of your face that the sun would naturally hit. I'm going to dampen my beauty blender with some fixing spray. Sometimes I use warm water, but I was too far away from my bathroom, so I just opted for using my spritzer. So that's what I'm doing. I spritzed it with a little bit of that setting spray. Then I'm just going to blend out the cream highlighter that we've applied. And you want to make sure that you really take your time blending it out. You want it to melt within your skin. You want to take your time with the beauty blender, don't rush the process. Then after I finish blending out, I'm going to contour, and to contour I'll be using the shade Beautiful Bronze. And contouring is essentially basically minimizing those areas that you would not normally want to stand out, such as like forehead. If you've got a big forehead like me, this is what you want to hide. And also obviously you want to make sure your cheekbones are defined and chiseled. And I also just applied a little bit on my chin area just to define it a bit more. Then I'm just going to blend out the product. So guys, you want to make sure that when you're blending out the contour on the jawline, you want to blend it upwards in an upward motion so that everything looks really lifted. For your forehead area, you want to blend that into your hairline so that it just gives the illusion that your skin is like really lifted, and it gives you this like just amazing dimension. So that's what you want to do. Then for the nose contour, I just blend it towards the bridge of my nose, so my nose appears like it's snatched, but like really it ain't snatched, but that's the look that we're trying to go for. I just use an angled brush, like a blending brush that's angled, and that's what I just go in my nose area, and I just go in like that. And then afterwards I literally set my highlighted areas with my banana powder so that it doesn't crease and move. And the rest of my face I go in with my pressed powder from Maybelline, and this is so perfect for setting the rest of my face. Then to just be a bit more extra, I did go in with some banana powder just underneath my contour, and I added a bit more powder down there just to give me a dimented face. So this is to allow my face to have more of a dimented look. Feel free not to add it if you don't want to, but it just makes your contour really look snatched and properly chiseled. Then to be extra again, I'm going to go in with this palette here to give me that glow. Some people might not like it. I like to have that glow, not too much, but just enough to give me that really dewy kind of skin. Spray all of my face with some fixing spray when we're finished to get rid of any ashiness or flashback. Thank you dolls for joining me to do this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Do not forget to comment, like, share and subscribe, and also leave me a comment in terms of what you'd want to see next. I hope you enjoyed it, and thank you so much, guys.